The Emerson CQC8, world's greatest folding knife, right? We got the Emerson Wave feature, which serves as a great thumb ramp, 154 cm steel. Now, these handle ergonomics are on point. What a great grip, especially in a saber grip. It's made as a tactical knife, but can be used for many utility functions as well. But it's meant to be gripped just like this with your thumb on the wave to use as a ramp for fighting tasks. But great knife for general cutting tasks, utility, hunting, hiking, camping. It's got this nice graceful upswept curve like a saber, so you can have that full cutting edge when pulling back and a draw cut like that, or slash and strike with fighting in nature. 154 cm steel, 3.9-inch blade. Go get yourself.